I'm so afraid of public speaking. What to do? I don't know. I get nervous when I go on stage. I think these are the common issues a lot of people tell me when I'm talking about public speaking. Because I still remember when I went on stage for the first time, my hands were shivering, my legs were shaking. I still remember a lot of sweat which has been on my forehead. I remember all these incidents in my life and I feel so happy because wherever I am at this moment of time, that's only because of the instance whatever happened on that time. So before going into the video, I just want to tell you, public speaking is an anxiety, is a fear for a lot of people. But if you can overcome this, if you can practice, there are some tips which you have to do, you have to follow, which can make you better public speaker. Hello, I am Santhosh Nimmani, India's first proud introverts career mentor and a TEDx speaker, author of a book called as Rise of the Proud Introverts. Today in this video, we're going to talk about what you can do so that your fears will be a little bit reduced while going on stage. Number one, understand your fear. So basically, a lot of people have fears, but they will not understand what kind of fear they have. One, it can be they are afraid of the people. Two, it can be they are not good at that subject. Three, it can be they don't have experience to go on stage. Four, it can be the communication skills which they have, they are not confident enough to speak before them. So multiple reasons are there to understand why you have the fear to go on stage. Remember, if you understand your fear, it can make you understand what can you do better. So I believe if you understand it, then you're good to go for the next step. 2. Prepare thoroughly. So already in the first step, as I told you, you have to understand what kind of fear you have. If you understand your fear, make sure you prepare for that beforehand. For example, you're not good at English. It's fine. So prepare in beforehand. You can practice it. So what I have done in my life is, if I go before a presentation, if I go before a video like this, I will prepare in advance at least once or twice at this moment of time. But few months back, it is for multiple times, which made me confident enough to speak on stage. So make sure you understand your fear and prepare well according to what kind of fears you have. 3. Start small. See, it's very simple. If you want to go on a bigger stage, around 100-200 people are there. It's not easy for you to go on the stage which 100-200 people are there if you don't practice before 5-10 people or at least 3 people, right? So start small. So make sure you start with a small group of people. It can be 5 people or 6 people of your close friends or maybe your colleagues, wherever. Start small. Make yourself comfortable on stage. One more tip is about this video. So start small is the one which I have started before the video or before the camera. It's a very small thing. I am doing it because no one is there before me. But still, I'm practicing this skill of public speaking. So I'm able to practice it. I'm able to do it better. Every day I have done better things. In the starting days of my career, I have done at least one video per day. You can understand what kind of practice I have done. At this moment of time, if I'm able to do, if I'm confident enough to speak before people or speak before camera, that's the reason, because I practice a lot. 4 is very important aspect. It's about visualize success. So a lot of people go on stage with the fear of I can't do this public speaking, I can't present, I can't do this, which makes even more negative feeling and actually creates even more fear. So than that, start visualizing success. Maybe in the starting days, it's very tough. But if you keep on visualizing yourself, I visualized a lot of times that I will be on a stage where people will clap for me when I'm speaking. So it happened when I went on stage of TEDx. The same way, if you can visualize the success, if you can visualize things that when you are on stage, people are appreciating what you're speaking about, that can make a lot of difference. Not today, maybe tomorrow, day after, someday it will happen. But you have to keep visualizing the same thing, what you want to become. 5. Practice relaxation techniques. A lot of people actually keep on continuously speaking or keep on giving the presentations and all, or the public speaking things and all, because see, it's okay to give it continuously. Have some me time when you're presenting, when you're on stage. It's very simple. I have used these techniques a lot. See, what I have done is, I used to give, when I'm giving a public speaking, I used to ask questions where I will get some time to make myself relaxed. Or I will I will wait for some time. I will take some breath. I will ask people to answer, because of which I will get some time for. So it's all relaxation technique. Engage them with an exercise, ask them some questions. In the meantime, you can relax. So there are some relaxation techniques, or there are some relaxation techniques about breathing. So this can make sure your body get into a state where it will be relaxed and calm. Then again, you can start and you can work upon speaking on stage or the public speaking journey. 6th, consider support So here, there are a lot of public speaking clubs. There are a lot of groups where they are gathering and conducting some sessions. There are a lot of NGOs which do some activities. So there are a lot of people who are trying to improve these skills. So make sure you join and make sure you practice before them and make sure you take the support from the community. This can make a lot of impact in the starting days of your career. Once you get into this, you will be definitely a person who will not be much afraid to speak before public, because still I even feel a lot of people agree with me. If you are a public speaker, if you are someone who is delivering something on stage, the fear will be there. It's not something which will be not there for anyone who ever have been experienced. But we know that it is just a snap of time. It's just a fraction of seconds which I will get the fear. Once I get on stage, once I get into the topic, it will vanish. So it's all comes with practice. So make sure you practice better and make sure you do it every single time. I hope you loved this video. If you love this video, do share it to someone and hit the bell icon for more videos related to motivation, introversion, career development and job search. Thank you.